All right, what's going on? Not doing anything major today, but I got the new battery in the Corvette and it's dirty, so I'm gonna throw a seat back in it. I was pulling the sound deadening out of the carpet. So I'm gonna throw a seat back in it. We're gonna take it in. I don't have the battery held down yet, so I can't really screw around a whole lot. My hold down should be here in a couple days for it. But it needs washed. We're just gonna take it to the car wash, kind of hang out for the day, and go from there. All right, so I wanted to just kind of go over what the battery was that I did. The GMs, I got that big ass, heavy, like 55-pound battery. So I'm gonna kind of show you what the difference is and why I did it. This is the anti-gravity. Like I said, the tie down's not done, but it ain't gonna move anywhere other than slide around on the tray. It's an anti-gravity. It's like a motorcycle battery, and then I got these adapters just to use the factory side posts, cables. That thing weighs 3 pounds and it's way smaller. As you can see, it's opened up a bunch more. I got nitrous controller for the second kit. That's there. And then my Lingenfelter bots to pull timing out. But there's so much more room. I'm not cramped up here. I need to clean up the wiring a little bit. And then you can see where I got my rib nut down there for my hold down that I have coming. But it's like 40 pounds of weight reduction. This battery weighs 3.8 pounds. These are like a half pound, so 4.5 pounds. So figure about 40 pounds of weight reduction off the front end of the car, essentially. And it has no problem cranking the engine up. It's like 700 cold cranking amps. So yeah, that's why the car's been down, is I didn't want to put a cheap battery in it. Other benefit is it's lithium. And if you have a C5, you've heard of like let's start this over. All right, sorry, had a frog in my throat. You know how that goes. Whatever. Other benefit is it's lithium, and if you have a C5, you've heard of like the batteries leaking and messing up the PCM or the wiring harness, because all that stuff is tucked underneath the battery tray, and it can cause a lot of electrical issues, which these cars already are known for having a bunch of electrical issues. So, because of that, having lithium to kind of take care of that makes it way easier. I shouldn't say easier. It makes it more of a maintenance thing too, preventative maintenance, obviously. But yeah, downside, it's $300. All right, as you guys can see, like I said earlier, it's dirty. I got to run into town, so I'm just gonna take this. I haven't really got it out much lately because weather's been crap. But it needs cleaned. It's basically been sitting in the garage all winter long, and this is what I get. So we're gonna take it in and wash it. All right, so we're at the car wash. Let's get it cleaned up. There it is. Dirty's not clean anymore. We got the car washed. We're going to cruise around for a little bit, try to get some B-roll footage. But anyway, for the most part, this is the end of the video, so thanks for watching. I'll do a review on the anti-gravity battery. But yeah, till next time, guys.